are prepared for test matches because we have 2 matches here and then England. But I start when we start first match, different pitch, different condition, different lineup. But we are not crossed the line. We are little bit behind in the batting. But when after they lose the match, we are sit together, we are discuss our mistakes, and then we decide when we come here, we see the pitch, and pitch is little bit different. So we decided to put a couple of changes, and then we put spinners and our main fast bowlers, and then we going with the 2 fast bowlers, and then when we match start, we see the like ball not slow, but first day is ball like proper carry, so I saw maybe a little bit mistake, but later on when we match going on, when spinners came in, then ball spun. So I think the way all team perform in the field, bowlers and batter, I think good for me.
So would you say that looking back in the game that conditions suited your team in this match?
Not really, because we are prepared for different condition. But to be honest, as a professional, you ready for everything. The different conditions, different venue, different pitch. So yes, we are prepared. When after the match, we have a couple of practice. So we have decided to play like we face more spin rather than fast bowler. So we have practice on it. Then I think might be that condition is suit us.
The warm-up game that you played was also at this ground. Did this the conditions, were they similar?
Nah, I think condition is different when we playing practice match and test match. They are totally different. They're more slower when we playing practice match. Much pacer on when we test matches because no grass on it. So yeah.
Also, you faced a little bit of criticism for leaving out Mohammad.
Yeah, but look, when you see the pitch, when we had decided to change the team combination, because always when we change, we see the pitch and then we decide that we are going with the different combination. So yes, he's one of the best bowler for us for red ball, but sometimes you have a different decision because of team, because of conditions.
And also to Abdullah Shafi, he wasn't Guyana playing T20, he got that gap to the red ball. Was it hard for him, or you think he
No, because of he playing a lot of cricket back home. He's playing first class matches, grade 2. He always like when he came here, he's playing like proper red ball for 2 months, and then he came for T20s. But I don't think so. When he is playing, he has a little bit nervous and all things because of his confident. Because after the comeback, after the 1 year you come back, you need to improve yourself. You come for better. So he shows.
And last question from me. You are back as test captain. How are you enjoying it so far? Or do you think you still have some areas to brush up on?
No, I'm enjoying all my captaincy. When you come back, I am come back. So different challenge, different challenges you face, but I always enjoy.